All of a sudden everybody love me cause I'm back litty. Ask my mama, I was thuggin', I came from under her titty. Got a shovel for niggas, say they trying to get up with me. Say they dancing with the devil, but I don't wanna see.
Alright guys, welcome back to the video. So today we have a 2004 Ford Taurus. Absolute unit, 130,000 miles. The last car didn't really work out. It stopped shifting through gears, stopped registering that it even had gears at all. And it wouldn't start. It's a piece of junk. It literally lasted 20 feet, maybe 5 minutes. Anyways, we replaced it with this bad girl right here. Absolute unit. Look at that, low miles even. What a unit. Sounds really good. I have really, really high hopes for this thing. So, yeah. Enjoy the video, guys. Yeah, this old girl is not having it. That's full throttle. But it's got a nasty blow off, or well, not blow off, it's a diesel, but it chuffs pretty good. Alright guys, I'm gonna give you a million reasons why not to ever buy a Fiesta. This thing sucks. Literally that little turn, last time it's moved. Lost reverse, and now it has no other gears. Ford Fiestas are junk. You can't even jump them out of the back of a box truck without them dying. Like honestly, any other car would have taken that like a can. Like a Cavalier. You kidding me? Cavalier would go for another 400,000 miles. Oh my. The important thing we've learned here today is to never buy a Fiesta to make a video with because they suck. They are junk. So today we've got a 2004 Ford Taurus. Looks like it's burning a little bit. I just held it off limiter for a second. Today we're going to change the oil with Dawn dish soap, and we're going to see how long this thing will last. So we need to know how many quarts of Dawn dish soap a 2004 Ford Taurus takes. Okay, 4.54 quarts. You guys only sell them in 2-quart bottles, right? The Dawn dish soap? Mm-hmm. Okay, sweet. We're going to grab some of that and we'll be right back. Yeah. No way. The last 3 bottles. Let's see, 2 quarts, 4 quarts, 6 quarts. Look at that, they even had it in the right spot. Cannot believe that. Usually they have this shit by the cleaning stuff. Ridiculous. Got what I need. Look at that. Didn't even get any on my hands. That's how you know you're good. All right, guys. So something you guys probably didn't know, you actually don't have to change your oil filter every oil change. Typically, you want to do it around every 7 to 10 oil changes. You take off your oil drain plug. Always use a ratchet. Always, all right? You could strip it out and it'll never come off, and who knows what kind of bad stuff will happen. When you're putting it on, you always want to use an impact. You want to just... That's how you know it's on there tight. Oh, got that struts. Now you gotta find the oil fillinator. Get a little bit of, lube up the engine and stuff like that. See, that even smells good. This stuff is very, very viscous, or way less viscous than 530 or 20, whatever this thing normally takes. So this oil will actually act as if I was putting 1540 in it. Hey. Yeah. A little bit of this action on there. Yeah, look at that. Fucking fancy. Right here, this is $38 worth of Dawn dish soap. Oh yeah, look at that. Good oil right there. That's what you want. Number 3 only calls for half a quart.
I even took the cap off for you.
There you go. Oh, didn't spill any. Okay, now we want to check the oil. Look at that, halfway between the minimum and maximum. There you go. Your oil has been changed in your 2004 Ford Taurus with Dawn Disco. Now the only thing left to do is obviously drive this thing. So we're gonna take it on a little test drive. Nothing crazy, see how she runs real fast. First, start up with the Dawn Disco oil, take one. That, quiet her down. See that, she's really quiet now? Dawn Disco, take her oil. Still running great. One tip I do have is it does not smell as good as it did previously. It's like smelling salts. It burns your nose, probably gives you lung cancers. Other than that though, it is running great, all right? No problems whatsoever. That's basically like, it's like ZR1 oil, you know? It's got a little bit of higher zinc content in it. So it actually helps the components break in and mesh together and run a little bit more smoothly. Now we're gonna take her down the road, a nice little test drive, and then we're really gonna lay into her. We're gonna see what this baby's capable of. So we'll catch you inside the car. I mean, honestly, you can't tell me she don't run like a dream, brother. Oh, it's the brake. That was the dinging. We're not looking back where we're going. We only look forward. 35 mile an hour, 40 mile an hour almost with the Dawn Disco oil. That's full throttle. That is as far as she can go down. Yeah, baby, we're cooking now. Okay, oh, that's a ditch. Oh, almost took it the AT&T pole. Oh, a little off-road. Put her down at first, buddy. Oh. She's a little torquey. Does not want to shift very good. Absolute unit.
Oh, there she goes.
I got her shift, boys. Oh, shit. Oh, we're going way faster than I thought. Oh, God. Oh, God. That's all right. Jump it. We're gonna jump it like the Subaru.
Oh, that's a fence.
Oh God. Oh God. Just ignore all that. It died on us.
Oh, came right back. Oh, yeah.
Oh, he's stuck. Look at that dumb car. Oh God, oh shit. Brick or something, because this thing's kind of stuck and I'm just gonna let it die.
It's stuck.
Yeah, it's kind of stuck. Look at that. See that smoke right there? It's leaking horsepower. When your car does smoke or overheat or anything like that, it'll actually clean the car. See that? Right there? Like it rolled out of the factory like that. Brake clean, carb choke, brake clean, brake clean, brake clean. What kind of fucking off-brand brake clean is it? It smells fantastic. You just don't want to get it in your eyes, nose, ears, mouth. Oh, me, dude. Holy that's hot. It's full of oil, too. All right, that's fine. Steam clean the air cleaner.
We might want to leave that off.
Again, like I said, nothing but pros and cons, no cons. It's kind of boiling in there. Okay. Oh. I don't think it's locked up, actually. No. What? Not a lot gives me headaches. Fucking candles, they all smell disgusting, and Dawn dish soap apparently is burnt. Disgusting. All right, guys. So right here is my Glock 19X. All the car's calming down. What better time than to shoot this thing? Get to where I'm not gonna slip and fall.
Oh, bingo, I got action. Slip and fall. Oh, pimp down, pimp in distress. Oh my God, pimp down, pimp in distress. I need $150 million.
Stand back, boys. Shoots pretty good. Very reliably. Definitely hit a couple down the derby car. Really. Oh, yep. Hey, that adds character right there. Our speaker-powered airsoft gun, obviously, had super loud speakers on it, so it really sounded real. Very high FPS BBs, about the size of a 9mm, not subsonic BBs. Keep doing that. Oh, there's still a flame down in there. That starter is taking a beating. Still a flame in there? Watch out. That's all I got in me. That's all I got, dude. Let nature run its course, I guess.
Woo! Yeah. Attaboy.
See that, dude? Look at this. Not even a lick of metal shavings. Just a bunch of stuff that looks like metal shavings.
That takes skill right there, dog.
If you guys want to go buy $200, $300, $600, $500 beaters or whatever and just have fun with your friends, I suggest you do it. It's a blast. Even if I'm making videos, whatever I'm doing, I'm really just hanging out with my friends. Memories for the rest of my life that I can always go back and look on. This was a lot of fun. So, do I suggest you buy a Taurus and do it? Probably not. We already did that. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.
Guys, we were hanging outside. I was trying to start. And yeah, the car called. The rest of the way.
All right.
Oh, it almost started. It almost did. It just stopped. It's done. Oh, shit, the tire.
Yeah, you probably do need to keep putting it out.
Woo, that was a good shot.